What phobias do you have? I have a fear of heights, scientifically known as acrophobia. This condition affects me in the three ways. First, I tremble when I am at high places. Second, I can't do certain activities that involve heights, such as bungee jumping. Third, when I am at high places, I can't do anything. I could only stand still, and I cope with this phobia by avoiding going to high places. Seriously, I don't like this phobia. Why do people have phobias? I think most people have a fear of heights, which can cause them to tremble, be unable to move, or panic. I think the cause is the fear of falling down, and the effect of this fear are threefold. First, it prevents them from working in jobs that involve heights. Second, it prevents them from doing activities in places with heights. And third, when traveling to places with heights, they become so afraid that they miss out on the beauty of that place. Thank you.